As usual, we're gonna talk about 4 stocks that will explode this month. So let's get right to it and see what's going on. First off, we have AMC. AMC did double bottom as we predicted to do, and right now, around the 13th of December, we bounced from the 2084, and then right now around 6th of January, okay? And right now, look with me on the 15-minute chart what's going on. I already did 2 trigger for AMC, because if we hold this level of ascending line, we're gonna see a jump again for AMC. So we have a target here around this crossing 22.60. If we bounce it, we're gonna see a massive price jump down again. If we hold it, we're gonna see a price jump up again to test at least the 24, then the 25.51. I'm just watching right now. I'm still doing alert, okay, to alert. The next one we have BFRI. Perfect, as we said it on our Discord here, Lacram Investing, and our Patreon. If you want to join, link in comment section below. What we discuss always over there is the level of alert, the level where we're gonna see a massive jump down, so you should sell before the price go down, and the price where we reverse. What we said this one will jump down if we don't hold this ascending line, and perfect, around the 30th of December we went down. What we said again, we should buy around the $4.96. Precisely, we bounced perfectly, and the price went up. Right now, the profit taken around the $5.88 triggered. Right now, I'm just waiting. If we have a clearing for this $5.88, we're gonna see the price bounce again around the $7.42. We're gonna take the next profit taken here. The next one we have EHang. As I said, EHang, like we did a lot of videos for EHang last year, and what we said, we predict the price to go to 20 again, and right now we bounce so many times, then the short sellers are in control and drive the price down. After the price went down, we suggested the price to buy again around the 13.87, and that's why EHang holding. So this is the last support we should hold in order to see a test for this month around the 2020. Okay, the 2020 will be tested for EHang, so we can actually make a swing trade here for EHang. Next up we have GameStop. GameStop went crazy, up 20% today on NFT play, and the price went down because we have a rejection area. Look what's going on here. We have a rejection area around this exponential average, so it's still heavily shorted. I expected the price to go down around the 95, where we're gonna see a buying pressure again, because we broke this ascending line, and this is crazy bearish. Okay, that's why I said don't hold if we don't hold this ascending line around the 1st of December. And let me just give a bonus stock, which is Tesla. Yes, Tesla is, as we said, we have crazy price momentum and jump again to do double top around the 1,200, and then get rejected because we have double support, you see, double resistance. Then the price went down. Right now is crazy how Tesla heavily shorted. However, it's still holding this ascending line. Hopefully we hold before we close the market. This will be like a big bounce for the next month, for the next week, if we hold this ascending line, because really important ascending line to confirm the bullish momentum that is still there. Okay, this is really important because we break it around the 23rd of December, bounce here around the 1,200, then went down again. So right now we want to hold it before the market close. I will be watching. That's why I put 2 trigger around this level and this level. You see the 1,067. This will be really bullish if we cross it, and 1,800. Any price below it will be bearish. In order to see that if we bounce back below this level of support, we're gonna see the price go at least test for this level, where I load up for Tesla around the 955. 4. This will be a big bounce as well for Tesla if we don't hold the 1018. Right now we're trading around the 1026. Really crazy how close we are near this support. That's why we still holding for Tesla, and that's why we see a lot of buying pressure and fighting between the selling and shorting position for Tesla. I will update you always for Tesla and other stocks. If you want to see alert of like live alert, I do actually post a lot of alert here on my channel here on my trading view sector, and you can see here I did for Tesla, and you see did for AMC as well, technical analysis, and you can see where you buy, where you sell. So join with my link in comment section below to get discount at the same time to be a pro or pro plus or premium in order to get access to my alert on trading view. If you want, you know, trading view or Discord or Patreon, we have many channel and things. If you prefer trading view where you trade is better, you can join us on trading view with the discount here. You get 6 months for free, and let's get ready for hunting for this year. So without further ado, see you in the next update.